Welcome to the video on a systematic approach to evaluate enterprise architecture. The first step to evaluating enterprise architecture modeling is the identification of business perspective, hence identifying the business goals. Business goals are an explicit definition of targets needed to be reached in order to fulfill business solutions and to solve business problems. Some examples for that would be increasing the profit by 10%, by the next quarter, reducing staff turnover by 15%. Ensure at least 95% of orders are processed in under 2 minutes. They have direct impact on the business. Additionally, the expected state or change is described in measurable terms, like the next quarter or under 2 minutes. Various groups of the business have different needs regarding the usage of models. For bigger companies, it is crucial to subdivide the evaluation in perspectives, depending on the utilization because of the difference in needs, emphasizing precision and detail. The requirements for the subdivision are diverse. It can depend on stakeholders or the information and transfer of knowledge. The individual subdivision of evaluation depends on the size of the company, the interest groups, the usage of models. From this information, it is easy to find out helpful synergies and uncover conflicts that need to be fixed. Also, it facilitates planning and control and defining areas of responsibility. Because the evaluation chain for the process of modeling is too large, it has been split into 4 aspects: modeling, quality, coordination, and using of model information. We will be discussing them throughout this video. Before explaining the different perspective annotations, the factors in the processes need to be explained. The V stands for variable factors that can be easily adjusted. The P stands for potentials, are factors which can be changed while designing the modeling environment or over a longer period of time. The E stands for external factors that cannot or can be partly changed. So the first perspective is the modeling perspective. Direct effect on modeling can be viewed in the following factors and intermediate results. They reflect a direct relationship to the result and to achieve effectiveness of modeling. The direct contributors include extent and complexity of modeling, standard procedures for modeling, modeling tool usability, and accessible model patterns. The modeling tool usability is an intermediate result that depends on the number of factors. These factors are the modeling tool and the modeling support, the initial knowledge of modelers about a modeling group, and modeling training. There are 2 reference results. First is the extent and complexity of modeling is referenced from quality management. And the available model portfolio, they both originate from the coordination aspect. These factors and intermediate results are decisive for the effectiveness of the economics of modeling performance. Thank you for listening to this part of the video. The next part we will explain coordination, quality, and usage of models.